Hi guys, my name is Lindo. Today I'm going to show you on how I get to use the discounts that Varsity Vibe offers for students. If you're a student, the thing that I'm circling in red, that's the Varsity Vibe. It is actually their website. You can also get the app. What I'm going to do, I'm going to order food on Mr. D. I'm going to order food on Mr. D. I do have the Mr. D app. This is the Mr. D app, but I first have to get the code on the Varsity Vibe platform or the app. Now let's go back to the Varsity Vibe platform. We are here. I'm going to go in here and copy the code and then go back to the app, or I can also use the site from the Varsity Vibe. Let's see. I'm going to click on the Varsity Vibe. I'm going to click on the Varsity Vibe thing. Then see, voila, welcome to the world of Varsity Vibe. You can tell by the name that's saying Varsity, so it's basically related to students. Okay, now it says South Africa's first discount app for students. Okay, yeah. Now these are all the discounts that you can get, but today I'm only focusing on the Mr. D. You see, we have Mr. D here. Okay, it's 50 rand off, and it's a limited offer. If you can see, it's a limited offer. So now there are many more. You can see them. There are many more of them. I'm going to click here to get the code. It's only available online. Then I click here and then view the code. I'm viewing the code. This is the code. See, this is the code, and I can copy the code. Can you see? I copied the code. Then if I'm going to click on the launch website, it's going to take me to the site of Mr. D, or it's going to basically take me to the app. If I don't have the app, they will tell you to download the app. But since myself, I have the app already, then it's just going to lead me straight to the app. Then I'm just going to click on the launch website, and then when I launch the website, see, it's saying download the Mr. D app. Which I have already. Then it means that I just have to go to the app. I don't want to use the website. I'm not familiar with their website. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to go straight to the app. Since I've copied the discount code, so I can just straight go to the app, which is just here. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me click on the app. Woohoo, Mr. D. My couch or my second home. My couch here is my current rest location, and then my second home, it is the rest that I was staying at the past 3 years. Okay, so I'm going to choose my couch. Okay, I'm going to choose my couch. Okay, it's loading. Let's give it time. And you saw that one of the requirements that I should order something that costs 100 rands, right? I should order something that costs 100 rands, and then they're going to subtract 50 rand. I mean that I'm going to pay 50 rand for that particular meal that I'm going to order. So I have no idea what to order here. Let me see what's on offer. That 50 rand. Okay, there's the buffalo wings. Do buffaloes have wings? Didn't know about that. Okay, numbers. I like hot stuff. Let's see. I don't want to spend so much time trying to think about it, but and I'm not a pizza person, I'm not a burger person, so oh, should I order the let's go to Spur. People with a taste for love. Okay, see, all these things here, they're not 100 rand. I can order this one, but it has burger, so I don't want anything that has burger. Okay, let's check out the ribs and grills. All of them, they're like way above what I'm planning to spend. I'm actually looking for something that will just cost me 100 rands, or maybe 105 rand that I can do. Okay, let's see. Let's go back. I think I saw Nando's here. Let's check what Nando's has on offer. Nando's Parktown is just going to take like 40 minutes to deliver. Okay, it's fine. Let's check out what Nando's. Oh, look at this! They have something for 101 rands. Okay. I think let's try our luck on this one. So it means that they're going to subtract 50 rands on this 101 rand, then I will have to pay 51 rand, right? I'll have to pay 51 rand for me to order this. It's a half chicken and fiesta fries, whatever grand meal. Okay, which flavor will you like? I like it hot. I like it hot. Okay, now I like it hot. Let's choose hot. Quarter chicken breast or quarter chicken leg. I think I'll go with this one. Okay, yeah. Would you like cutlery and paper scissors? Like, really? Nah, not really. I eat with my hands. I do have the paper. I think you can just save it for other people. I don't really want it. Yeah, cutlery. I chow with my hands. Would you like to add no, they are so expensive. No, I am not going to add anything else. Would you like to add no, it's fine. Okay, now let's go to the cart. Please select at least one item. Oh, supposed to select no cutlery and paper serviettes. Okay. Oh, sorry. No cutlery and paper serviettes. It's okay. You can keep it for the next person who will really need it, because my stuff, I know that I won't really need them. I do have a toilet paper which will do the same job, and I don't use the cutlery. I use my hands. Okay. Now, okay, let's add to cart. Okay, now we've added to cart. You can see now they've added the delivery fee. I think, yeah, the total was supposed to be 101 rands, but because of the delivery fee, which you see here, it's now giving me a total sum of 110 rands. Okay, let's check out, and it's delivered only. They'll take about 40 minutes for me to get the food, which might be a little bit less than that. You know, they cannot ever estimate this, but let's check out. Processing my order. I still have to put information. Okay, this is the address in which they have to deliver. Okay, that's my name and alternative name. Okay, now this is where the fun part comes in. You can check here. Here, enter the promo code or the Y code. I have the promo code which I copied on that Varsity Vibe platform. You see? Okay, that's where I'm going to add the promo code. Oh, sorry, the promo code. Now let's see what else will they need. Okay, my card is already there, because this is not the first time I use the Mr. D. I don't really use it often, but they do keep your details on the website, just in case you come back the other day. Tip the driver. Unfortunately, Mr. Driver, I'm so sorry. Next time, let's take the sorry, the 0% one. Okay, whatever contribution to the restaurant. I am sorry, I can't. Okay, the e-bags are, if you're using, I think, FNB, yeah, you get to use to get the e-bags. But then this is not my ID number. This is my mom's ID number. Let's do the fun part. Let's do the fun part of it. The total that I'm supposed to pay, it's 110 rand. If I say continue to payment, yes, they might deduct 110 rand. But remember that I have the code. I've copied the code and I have to put it here. Can you see? Yes, I'm going to put it there. Let's do it. Enter the promo code. Let's see. Enter the promo code. I've copied the code. It's in my clipboard. There it is. Can you see it? The VV9C63. Yeah. Going to copy that code, and then I'm going to enter it there. See? Copied the code. I have to apply it now. They should deduct 50 rands. Apply. See? Promo code applied. The promo code has been applied. Now let's go back to the site and see that I have to pay that 51 rands that is left. Is it 51 rands or 61 rands? My math is terrible. Okay, my math is terrible. Sorry. Let's go back to the checkout. Okay, let's see. Wait. What is going on here? On the website of Varsity Vibe, guys, I'm really shaking. They said they're going, if I spend 100 rands, they're going to subtract 50 rands. Am I lying? No, I'm not lying. Okay, let's go back to the site. Let's go back to the varsity vibe site, which is here. Sorry, which is here. And then they said that, let's read this. Maybe I'm the one who's getting taught by English. Spend 100 rand and get 50 rand off your Mr. D order. They are limited number, blah blah blah. Whew. But what's happening here? They were supposed to subtract 50 rands. Does it mean that I'm only going to pay 10 rands for something that costs 101 rand? So I'm basically paying the delivery fee only. Damn, guys. See, if you're a student, please do it. Let me do it quickly before before they change their mind, or before they say that there's a technical error in the code. Okay, let me continue with the payment. Okay. Oh my god. So basically I'm paying 10 rands for the food that costs 101 rand. Oh my god. Can you see it? Here it is saying coupon discount is 100 rand. Okay, let me continue with the payment before they change their mind. Oh my god. No. Continue with payment. Updating order details. Please. Oh my god. See, your payment has been processed and your order is on the way to Nando's Parktown. Oh my god. No. What I know is that if, okay, order has been accepted. Okay, no, I don't want this. What I know is that if, okay, thank you. I know that we are processing my order and doing everything else. But what I know is that if the amount of money that they deducted in my account was more than 30 rands, I was going to get an SMS. That there's a money deduction, like Capitec money out, something like that. But it means that they deducted something that is less than 30 rands, or is it 29 rand or 30 rands? Okay, let's see the received order. Okay, I wanted to show me the price. I really want to confirm that they only subtracted 10 rand. How do I tell that they only subtracted 10 rand? Yeah, look at this. Yes, the kit purchase was 10 rand. Oh my god, the discount coupon was 100 rand. They separated. Damn. Okay, enough about with so much talking. What I can tell you is that yes, the platform of varsity vibe, it's real, it's working, it's not a scam. What I'm going to do, I am going to leave the link in which you can sign up, and you can, if you're a student, the core requirement is that you be a student. They are going to confirm your details, like they will need your student email. Yeah, they'll need your student email, and then they'll confirm that yes, you are in a registered accredited higher institution. Then they're going to activate the platform for you. And then you can get the benefits of all these discounts. Obviously, there's a premium. If you are a premium member or a freemium member, we can talk about that some other time. But for now, guys, I'll see you. I'll see you when the order arrives. Okay, down the restaurant is on the order, but I'll just see you again when the thing is when the order has arrived. Thanks. Okay guys, yeah, so now the delivery is kind of here. I'm going to the gate to collect it. So okay, this is the driver. He just sent me a message and telling me that I should meet him at the gate. Okay, the gate is like a little bit far, so if you hear some footsteps, it's just me running, going to the gate to collect the delivery. So yeah, I'll send you, I'll show you the picture that is it real or not. And the food is here. See, this is the exact thing that I ordered. Yes, it is. So you see, I just paid 10 rand for all of this. It was supposed to cost me like 110 rand. So yeah, that was it. They were not lying. They were not lying. The photos here, they only deducted 10 rand from my account. And yeah, now free lunch, I guess. Free lunch from Nando's. Not just lunch, but a hot lunch, a hot one.